No, I can't. Lord Krishna, Kant is unarmed.
I am telling you.
Shoot the arrow. Kant is in a weak spot. He's stuck in the ground, stuck in the muck. Wheel deep inside the ground. It's not moving, and the chariot is already better inside. How can I shoot?
I told you to shoot. Just shoot, Arjun.
That's wrong, Lord Krishna. You are almighty, and you know that is fundamentally wrong.
Can you hear me clearly? Can you understand my instruction? Just shoot the arrow now. Just now.
No, I won't, Lord Krishna. I cannot shoot. If I shoot today, my nerves and my inner consciousness will explode. My inner voice is going to tell me all my life, this was a sin, this was a sin.
Time and the
Wait, Lord Krishna, wait, let me complete. And by the way, you are the only person who thought about whole world about dharma, and you are not staying to violate it. Here is a man whose wheel is stuck in the ground, the chariot half broken, and you are telling to shoot him. Shoot at him. Somebody helpless. Somebody try to get wheel moving. Please, Lord Krishna, don't force me to do something that is wrong.
Please try to understand, Arjun. Time and the cycle of destiny is such. It is always predestined. It's predestined that you will shoot the arrow. It really doesn't matter what you do. It's predestined that your arrow will pierce his body. It really doesn't matter what you say. It's predestined in the fight of good over evil that this decision is required. Time, cosmic cycles, and consciousness have led to this fatal moment of truth. But don't worry, Arjun. Don't worry. You are not killing you. You are just merely doing what you are destined to do. What has been assigned to you for the good of the world, for the greater common good. You are just an instrument. Nothing more than that, and nothing less than that.
But why always why me?
But, so many questions. Have you forgotten, Arjun? Have you forgotten when Dushasan was destroying my sister Panchali property? When Duryodhana did not give the villages to Pandavas, even their demand was extremely valid and very true. When Abhimanyu was killed by all of them in the cold blood. I've forgotten all of that, Arjun. Take your kindly and just shoot at him.
Wait, Lord Krishna, I am Kant, and let me ask you, is this your kind of justice? Is this the way how you meet up justice? By allowing an armed person to fight an unarmed?
Kant, I mean no such thing. I mean to say this is destiny. We are supposed to fight this moment like this. You are as helpless as Draupadi was in Vastular. Remember that you were there, jog your memory. You were there with a smirk on your face and blood in your hands. You were there. But evil takes over and you choose it. This is how you are supposed to die. Mind that there is no other choice.
Whose evil? Whose definition of evil and what evil?